Hi friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Weekend Market Discussion with SD, and I'm SD Shanundra Das. I'm multi-asset trading and investment specialist. I'm associated with Elan Markets. I think many of you know Mr. Vivek Bajaj sir. Vivek Bajaj sir has several great offerings. Yeah, this is me. This is Vivek sir. This is Shorodip sir, Chetan sir, and Abhijit sir. So here I'm associated with Elan Markets with their best flagship program, that is multi-asset trading mentorship program. Under this program, this particular course, multi masterclass on advanced commodity and currency, which also covers global markets, bonds, um, crisis trading, all of that. It is part of that trading mentorship program, multi-asset trading mentorship program. And this course gives access directly to my trading setup. And this is the offering जिसके बारे में मैं बोल रहा था, multi-asset trading mentorship program. It's quite a high rated 4.9, 5 out of 4.9 rated course. नेक्स्ट इज जिसलिए आज हम लोग इकट्ठा हुए हैं इस वीडियो में करने के लिए और आप लोग देखने के लिए is for the weekend analysis जो चालू होता है broadly looking at the important data and events. Important data में this is 15th Monday, China का data आ रहा है. Chinese data are very important for base metals. Any significant major या इस डेटा के साथ साथ commodity markets में क्या हालचाल हो रहा है, especially to the base metals, we'll have to keep a check. Wednesday, crude oil inventory, regular crude oil inventory. Thursday, natural gas regular inventory. Crude oil inventory के बाद we'll have more clarity कि crude oil में क्या चल रहा है. Is it going to come back stronger? Next जो major event है, rather next week, is on Thursday when European Central Bank is going to announce its monetary policy decision. तो चलिए एक बार यहाँ से भी देख लेते हैं ट्रेडिंग इकोनॉमिक्स में चाइनीज डेटा. दिस मंडे चेयर पावेल का स्पीच है. दिस विल ऐड टू द मूवमेंट. इफ हो सके जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं, पावेल स्पीक्स फॉर मोर रेट कट आफ्टर द लेटेस्ट इन्फ्लेशन डेटा, जहां पे मंथ ऑन मंथ डेटा हैज बीन नेगेटिव फॉर आफ्टर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. So after this, अगर Fed chair का कोई भी comment inside red card, then we might see further dollar sell off, and that would be further good news for equity market. Main event जो है next week का, that is on Thursday, European Central Bank, importance wise, but ये जो meeting है ये उतना important नहीं होगा because Central Bank is not expected to do something. But unka communication happens to be always important. So this data is particularly very important for euro-based pairs. You like Euro USD, Euro Yen, Euro GBP, Euro Swedish krona. So these are the pairs it will be very important for. So let's इसके अलावा कई सारे data है which are like GDP, this UK का inflation data. This will be, let's go to the 2-star data, तब हम लोग और भी देख पाएंगे. This Chinese data more important for base metal and will also set the mood. Will understand the current theme. Is China coming back in strength या weakness is persistent? तो बहुत सारे डेटा आने वाले हैं. चेयर पावेल का स्पीच है. इंडिया का ट्रेड बैलेंस डेटा आ रहा है on Monday. This is not will be a major mover, but definitely important data to understand the happening in the economy. Zoo survey बहुत important data होता है from Germany, which will show the German sentiment of consumer sentiment as well as economic sentiment from different economic participants like even companies. Now, Canada inflation, this data is important for those who are trading Canadian dollar based pairs like CAD, JPY, CAD Euro, Euro CAD, or USD CAD, like US dollar CAD, Canadian dollar. So this kind of pairs, if you are trading, this inflation data is very important as it is going to influence central bank rates. So let's next is main USRI retail sales. This will add to the volatility. This will commodity may we can expect movement Tuesday evening. Wednesday we have regular data crude oil. US car building permits, not that important. Most significant data is the UK car inflation, which will be very important for GBP based pairs like GBP JPY, GBP USD, GBP INR. So for these pairs, this data is going to be very important. Thursday we have regular natural gas data, jobless claims data, but the most important event is European Central Bank card red decision followed by press conference. Next, on Friday, several Fed speakers like Fed Bowman will be speaking. Fed Williams, Fed Bostic, lot of Fed speakers. So there will be a takeaway at the end of the week on the rates. तो ये रहा ओवरऑल जो इकोनॉमिक डेटाज आ रहे हैं. थोड़ा चार्ट पे चलते हैं एंड चार्ट के जरिए लेट्स लुक एट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग ब्रॉडली. नाउ वी लुकिंग एट लेट्स लुक एट द चार्ट्स. एक जनरल चार्ट को देख रहे हैं. वीकली चार्ट पे जाते हैं. दिस इज डाउ जोन्स का चार्ट. दिख के लग रहा है इट्स गोइंग बुलिश. एसएनपी तो बुलिश जा ही रहा है. ब्यूटीफुल वीकली चार्ट. नैस्डैक एक दोजी बनाया है. अगर मैं बड़ा करूंगा आप ऐसे देख पाओगे, बट विल नॉट यू वेस्ट टाइम इन दिस. हम लोग चार्ट को देखेंगे. रसल में स्ट्रॉन्ग कमबैक. निके बढ़ने के बाद दोजी बना है. स्ट्रगलिंग स्टॉक कमबैक चल रहा है यूरोप में. सो और इंडिसेस में अभी तक विक्स जो है वोलेटिलिटी इंडेक्स इट हैज बीन मूविंग लोअर. बहुत ही अच्छा न्यूज है ये. It has been, that's why it is positive. Steadily last movement में नीचे जा रहा है. So this is very positive for equities. तो equities में उसका benefit already हमें देखने को मिला. Let's go to energy. Energy weekly. Crude oil is consolidating. Consolidation in gasoline, heating oil, consolidation and turnaround. Natural gas made an inverted hammer. We might see a comeback. Natural gas in India, we have also bullish engulfing card. So different. US natural gas, a type of price action. India, but both are kind of bullish. So natural gas may see a short comeback. Ethanol is once again is consolidating this week. Bonds price are going up as interest rates are going down. 10-year price has broken higher this week, so it is quite bullish. Bond में हर जगह price breakout दिख रहा है on the upside. That means interest rates are going down. That's a generally positive environment for equities. Cocoa price consolidating in a bigger range, taking support from the last base around 7,000. Cotton, it's still not bullish. Orange juice making a turnaround. Coffee going significantly up. Lumber down. Lumber is largely traded in the US, most used area pe. In India, we don't have lumber contracts. Sugar has taken thoda up move ke baad it has once again taken a move lower. तो बुलिश के साइड दिख रहा है rather orange juice का comeback और कॉफी में strong gain चल रहा है. Let's look at the metals. Gold once again consolidating but showing strength. Silver consolidating, higher volatility compared to gold. Platinum is consolidating. Copper after last week bounce back. Last week we saw some kind of, it was not a hanging band, but it was just a regular down week after a big move. So next week could be another round of positive moving week या तो जिसमें फिर से volatility आ सकता है. This was relatively bland week for copper compared to the week before where we had a strong big rise. Meat prices, live cattle broadly consolidating in bigger range. feeder cattle, lean hogs, these are also consolidating. ग्रेन्स में जो बियर ट्रेंड देख रहे थे बहुत दिनों से, अभी भी वही चल रहा है, नथिंग स्पेशल। बीच बीच में बाउंस बैक हो रहा है, बट ब्रॉडली ग्रेन्स हैव बीन बियरिश एंड on a continuous basis they have been gradually going lower. So majority of the agriculture, if you want to counter के अलावा majority of the agriculture नहीं अच्छा दिख रहा है। We can have I'll take a look at some of the commodity charts to understand what could be the opportunities ahead. In the coming week में क्या opportunity हो सकता है या कैसे हम लोग पोजीशन रहेंगे, उसके बारे में एक बार डिस्कस करते हैं। यहाँ पे मैं कॉपर में देख रहा हूँ, दिस इज बेसिकली कॉपर चार्ट। आई एम स्टिल सीइंग अ करेक्शन, कम बैक नहीं हुआ है, फुल ग्रीन कैंडल मुझे चाहिए। कॉपर आई एम still waiting. A few I tried with the copper fund, not working out. Background red मतलब always exit. Aluminium initially बहुत ही बढ़िया सेल के बाद बाई का मौका मिला था, बट वो खराब हो गया, खराब हो गई। वी हैव हार्डली एग्जिटेड, वी आर नॉट इन दिस, बट ये एक सेल सिग्नल आ रहा है जिसका प्रोबेबिलिटी जीतने का अराउंड 50% तो है, बट साथ में पास में सपोर्ट रहते हुए आई एम नॉट टेकन दिस सेल सिग्नल। एंड व्हाइट क्रॉस जो मिनिमम स्टॉप लॉस है वो है कैंडल बॉडी के बाहर, आउटसाइड द कैंडल बॉडी। So in such cases, it is a sign that it is not good. Candle is very way too small. A big break may soon come, but currently it is avoid move. Zinc, the last breakout failed. I tried the breakout, did not work out in the zinc, this particular candle, and it was quite clear once it started moving below 275, 274.5. that the breakout is not sustaining. So zinc will avoid, it is currently too flat. We may see further consolidation and drawdown. So zinc में भी हम लोग exit करके रहेंगे, और if it comes back strongly, जैसे full green candle, short term momentum bullish will enter zinc again. Currently, let's look at silver. Live not workout, last up move, exit, partial exit के लिए बोला जा रहा है सिल्वर में, but I don't think silver will largely consolidate. It doesn't look like that it will break 90,800. This is the main support. As long as 90,800 holds, very likely silver will see up move later on. But लग रहा है देख के silver will now go for or can go for longer consolidation than go for big move. India gold का भी चार्ट देख रहे हैं, gold how we are placed. Gold is bullish, gold is sustaining above 72,850 area, which is the main support, but momentum से दिख रहा है कि momentum is struggling. As long as gold able to remain floated above this level in terms of price and is not breaking from this risky zone, there is a risk that gold has to be remain flatted till at least 25th, 26th of July. गोल्ड को इस लेवल के ऊपर ही फ्लोट करना पड़ेगा. If it does not, then we might see further breaking lower. Silver, gold हम लोग देख चुके हैं. Now we'll look at the crude oil. Crude oil is not good. Crude oil, I tried the comeback, but it looks like it is not going to be, but it's next Monday tak it will be more clearer, but at least what we don't have a full red candle, it's more of an exit signal. It's this long crude oil has not definitely working out. So crude oil is in a more struggling mode. It is not able to sustain. I think I'll have to square it off on Monday if it doesn't move up by Monday. Monday means Monday evening time, unless it becomes clear that crude oil is about to move up, I'll have to square off my position. But I was expecting a comeback. It is sustaining above this. So I was looking for entry opportunities with the full green candle. But yaad rakhiyega, if we as a speculator, we can't remain outside the market and remain a trader. Sometimes we'll have to test these comebacks out. But when we are testing these full of uncertainties, less strength, like background is still yellow. When you are testing these, we try these with smaller quantities. So natural gas is the next. Natural gas is bearish, but हम लोग एक काम discuss किए थे, it is likely to make a comeback. ये 194 के आसपास लेवल में consolidate कर रहा है. So it may consolidate. Natural gas में थोड़ा square off करके wait करना पड़ेगा because short term momentum has turned bullish. तो ये रहे मेरे commodity के idea on the international indices broadly bullish. S&P 500 clearly दिखा रहा है now without time to time correction के अलावा it is steadily going bullish. Dow भी same. Dow का मेरा post देखिएगा, if Dow is not breaking below this, I said if Dow is holding above 39,300, Dow is definitely going to go up. And it did held, and we can see further going up happening in Dow. Nasdaq is also taking time to time correction like these moves. Nasdaq is more weak compared to the S&P or Dow. So time to time हमें rotation करना पड़ेगा from one to the other. जो बेहतर लग रहा है, जो बेहतर हो रहा है, उसी के ऊपर we will have to focus on. Like this is Russell, US का short term. Like if we look at Europe, we will see comeback. Okay, this is Italy. We are seeing comeback. If we look at say Germany, German DAX, we'll be able to visualize the comebacks. So these are strong comebacks that are happening in Europe. Looks like equities are still bullish. So I'm still bullish on equities, knowing very well that we are in a recessionary cycle. It is a cycle, it is the recession has not arrived yet. Cycle का midpoint पे होता है around recession, so we are heading towards that area. आप अगर इसके बारे में जरूर जानना चाहेंगे, आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं via this Elon Musk. So equities, my idea remains bullish. Commodities, it's that way, and if bonds looks like bonds and broadly have turned bullish now as interest rates are steadily decline. Interest rates are steadily decline. So bonds definitely looking bullish. Like you can go for U10, which will basically give us exposure to the US 10-year treasury notes. And I'm seeing a comeback here. A comeback here in the more in the bond price when the clear drop in the interest rate. So this is I am seeing some of the money to be parked in, some of the money to if I want a rather low risk. This is a good product to park my money outside the country. So that's all, friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. All the best from my side. And as always, keep trading.